Hi there friends, and welcome to my channel Cat's Paw Canteen. I'm Kenny, and today we're going to be making some amazing scrambled eggs. So currently I'm on a high protein diet, and every now and then I get that hankering for scrambled eggs, and this recipe is perfect for a high protein scrambled egg dinner. So come follow me into the kitchen and I'll show you how it's made. Okay, so my daughter wanted to help me cook this today. So Sky, can you tell us what ingredients we have?
Yeah.
What do we have?
Lemon.
We got half a lemon. Yeah. What else do we have?
Some green onions.
Green onions, yeah. I chopped up 2 of them. What's that?
Shrimp scampi.
That's called imitation crab.
Imitation crab.
Okay. And what else do we have? What's that? We got garlic.
Got some smashed up garlic.
Yeah,
here.
Daddy minced 2 cloves of garlic.
And we got what else? Some bowl.
Yeah, we got a bowl. And this is called Cajun seasoning.
It's just, we got some Cajun seasoning, some spice.
Yeah, it's called Slap Ya Mama.
Yeah.
And this is Daddy's favorite Cajun seasoning.
Yeah. We got some 3 eggs.
Yeah, and we got 3 eggs.
Yeah.
So we're gonna start by cracking these eggs, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll crack it. Okay, let Daddy help you. There we go. There's 1.
2.
Yeah.
And
Crack it. A little harder. Okay. Right in the middle, like that. Okay. There we go. 1 more time. And yeah, stick your fingers in the crack there. There you go. Stick your fingers. Oh, ooh, there we go. Got a little shell in, but that's okay. It'll take it out. All right, Sky. So go ahead, put in the green onions. Yep, put in all of it. There you go. Okay, and we're gonna open. Oops, wrong way. We're gonna sprinkle in some Cajun seasoning. Not too much though. There we go.
then mix it up.
Yeah, you can go ahead and mix. There we go. And just Cajun seasoning for taste. Mix it all up. Okay, let Daddy finish it off here. A quick stir.
And then I'll mix it.
Yeah, we can go ahead. I'm gonna add in a touch more. There we go. Keep mixing. Alright, the eggs are ready to be cooked.
So
what's this?
butter.
Butter. I got 2 tablespoons of butter, and we're gonna melt that down. And while it's starting to melt, I'm gonna add in the garlic right into the butter. There we go. Alright, so the butter's all melted. So go ahead and place in your packet of imitation crab right into the butter.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, that's good stuff.
Yeah.
And separate out your imitation crab here.
So it doesn't get stick together.
Yeah, we don't want it stuck together, huh?
No.
Okay, so go ahead, add your Cajun seasoning. With this is going to start tasting like a crab boil. Not exact because we're using imitation crab, but close to it.
We do.
And go ahead, turn it around every now and then.
And then you.
Try not to break apart the imitation crab as much as possible here. Oop.
Oh.
Alright, at this point we're going to add juice of half a lemon. Squeeze it on in there. And let it cook a little bit more. Make sure the garlic's not burning. It's starting to turn golden brown.
Golden brown?
Yep. Alright, looks like the imitation crab is done. Let's go ahead and plate this. Okay. And go ahead, place it on a plate. Doesn't have to look too pretty.
Too pretty? I like it One pretty.
And you like it one pretty? You're so funny. Now let's get ready for the scrambled egg portion. Okay, add another tablespoon of butter. Let that melt down. Okay, once the butter is nice and melted, go ahead, add in your eggs. Alright, every now and then you want to stir this around since we're making scrambled eggs. Pretty simple. Okay, we're almost done here. Give it another good stir. Trick to good scrambled eggs, don't touch it too often. Just let it cook a little. That way you have nice chunks instead of little beads of scrambled eggs. Alright, scrambled eggs are ready to go. Let's go plate this up. Okay, and go ahead, place your eggs directly onto the cooked imitation crab. And that's all there is to it. And there we have my imitation crab Cajun scrambled eggs. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and try the eggs out here. Nice, buttery, has that Cajun kick to it. Really good. And for this right here, imitation crab. Now, it's not exactly a crab boil, but very close to it. It has that crab flavor to it. Nice texture because it's been cooked. Buttery, lemony as well. Oh my gosh, it is really good. I recommend this dish to anyone who likes Cajun cuisine. It's a nice breakfast, lunch, or even a dinner meal. So I hope anyone who's out there watching gives this a try. Man, those are some delicious scrambled eggs. I absolutely love Cajun spices, but the imitation crab just brings it to the next level. If you like today's recipe, please make sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you again at the canteen real soon.